This multimeter has a raw battery. Stay with me as I replace with new batteries and also review the meter from the inside. These are the new batteries. You can clearly see the raw battery indicator on the multimeter display. Wait and see. Let's open the back cover and also the battery cover to access the old batteries. The batteries are 1 year old, so I have to replace them. These are the old batteries. They have served me well, so no complaints. After replacing with new batteries, you can now see that the raw battery indicator is gone. Let's disassemble the multimeter to get a view of the inside. Stay with me. This is a circuit board. We can see it has many components on it. This is a removable, replaceable fuse. Not SMD. Not SMD. There is another replaceable fuse on the opposite side. The black thing in the middle is the main processor. This is the sound buzzer. PTC thermistor for temperature measurement. This is the current shunt. This multimeter uses non-removable, non-replaceable SMD fuse. It is not recommended since it can give false information. Let's put the multimeter back together and see if everything works. Stay with me. Checking if all corners are secured. We put back the back cover. Moment of truth awaiting. Let's check if everything now works. Let's put back the test probes. Turning the multimeter on. Putting it to continuity mode. And testing again. Everything works normal. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.